Hi. Now you might be wondering, Dusty, why does the title say Mythic Pistol but the thumbnail displays a gray pistol? Well, I'm glad you asked. You see, there's an NPC on the map that if you kill them, they're gonna drop a gray pistol. And it's not, your regular chapter 5 pistol, with bullet drop, that thing, nobody likes that thing. This is a chapter 1 pistol. Now, if you play chapter 1, chapter 1 weapons, they're hit scan. They're not projectile. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to win a game with this pistol. If you enjoy the video, leave a like and, maybe consider subscribing. I totally just went off script. I didn't even read the script. Look, this is the script. Enjoy the video. I'm just gonna... Here, you get to have that, buddy. Yep, you're welcome. Yep, you're welcome, buddy. Yep, T-pose. You're welcome. Go get them dubs, buddy. Look how happy he is. Why are you... I hope you're a bot. You're probably a bot. You're just a base skin. Yeah, you're a bot. Look at the way you move. Oh, you're not a bot, though. Excuse me, ma'am. It's my Peabody. Anyways. Hey, Peabody. How you doing? Sorry. I don't feel good about this. I really don't. But I need that. What do you... Okay. Cool. Wow. Okay. What am I... Yeah, just look at that. I already feel like I have an advantage. Oh. Hey, buddy. Ninja? Get out of here. You're washed. Yeah, look at that. And my gun didn't reload. Nice. Oh my god, I'm actually Peterbot. If Peterbot was on fucking 500 ping. Like, what is this? Why are you running? Bro, you have a superhero skin on. Where's your confidence? You're not even playing fucking World Cup. What are you doing? Yeah, bro, you're actually... Oh, you're so bad. Get out of my game. Jesus Christ. It's like, bro, what are you doing? Why are you trying to survive so hard? This is a pub game. Ooh. Ooh, spit on you. Fuck, dude. Hello, stranded car. Actually, who owns you? Not even gonna try to pronounce that. Ooh. Loot, don't mind if I do. And meds, don't mind if I do. Thank you. Ooh, Gwenpool. That's not Gwenpool. Where'd Doom go? Oh, you're in the bunker. Oh, you're by the bunker. Leave me alone. What?
Stop. I need to get back in my car. See, now all of a sudden, since I'm recording, right, now the lobbies are just gonna be like insanely hard, as if I'm in the World Cup. Oh, you know, hey, Dusty's recording. Gotta give him the hardest lobbies. Like, come on. Don't make it this hard. I mean, not that this game is hard or anything. No, this game is easy. A baby could play it. Peabody, I'm sorry. I've just got to do this to you. Yoink, yoink. Gimme these chugs. Why do we have 2 phase guys in my lobby? You know what? They're just phase fanboys. I hope they're phase fanboys. Gonna be pretty awkward if they're not phase fanboys. Where are you? Hey. I'm trying to third party. Oh, there's smalling right there. Oh, I have enough smalling. I don't know why I thought I was gonna run out. Oh, you're actually real. Okay. Hi. Okay. Bye. Man, I was just editing. Wasn't even good at it. I was just editing. That's a tree. Everything's fine. Hey. Hey, come back here. Come back here. I have a little thing I want to show you. Come here. Come here. Come back.
Somebody stop him! He's getting away!
Some shady. Well, last time I checked, I have windows on all sides of my car. How am I shooting him? Don't worry, Slim Shady. I got nothing. I got nothing creative to say. You know what we're doing now? We're playing fishing. It's no longer a Fortnite video. Nope. Now we're fishing. This is a fishing video now.
You ever just sit by the water?
Oh, you know what? Fuck that. Skit's done. I just realized medallion's on me. You know what? No. Resume the skit.
You ever just sit by the water, admiring the view, you know, fishing to your heart's content, and then out of nowhere, you get pounced on by a big old feller? Well, that's how it feels to live on the prayer of Aunt Jemima. She makes pancakes, and I like fishing. I just love sitting here with my rod, with you know, catching all these whippings, catching all these fishes. My family was they grew up doing fishing. All of them was just fishers. Fisher Price, fish. They probably catfished a bunch of people too, like bunch of hillbillies like us. Yeah, we're down to some weird stuff on that freako mode type stuff. But back down here in Mississippi, you know, it's all the same. Nothing but gators, swamp waters, and Bass Pro Shops all around within a 20-mile radius. Nothing but Bass Pro Shops and fishing poles. That's, yep, that's Southern life down here for us. All right, can I stop this now? Oh, so, okay, you want to restore reels. That's nice to know. Thankfully, you're just holding on to the medallion for me. So I will happily take that off your hands now. How low are you? Well, it doesn't matter because now I have no internet. Okay. So you're not running. Nice. Are you running? Probably. You know what? I don't care. Drive away. Have fun. Have at it. You've earned it. Never mind. I'm coming back. I hear gunshots. Oh, I almost forgot to talk about this, right? These just reminded me what I wanted to talk about. Last video. That got hella positive, like, feedback. Like, I'm talking, like, positive criticism. The only, like, thing that was, like, kind of negative was the sound effects that I was using. Specifically, the beeping sound effect, which indicates that you have, like, a low health. After watching my video, after watching both of my videos, I will agree that it's kind of obnoxious. So you will probably see less of it, if not none of it, if I hadn't already replaced the sound effect. So there's that. Hey buddy, you're my that's all mine. I don't know if you know this. Yeah, you're actually sad. That's crazy. I'm just gonna do that. Because I know how annoying you're gonna be. So, yeah. Say goodbye to your launch pad. Oh, hello. You don't mind if I, like... you don't mind. You don't even know what's going on. You don't even know that I'm here. You're just doing your own little thing. Look at you. Playing the game like it's intended. Playing Fortnite. Making forts, having fun. I think you're the one with the scan medallion. I think you might be the one with the scan medallion. Oh! Either that or you just kept them in there. Oh. Material, don't mind if I do. Oh, I need to start fragging out. Otherwise this isn't gonna count. Don't kill each other. Hey, you there. You're so... God, you guys are so annoying. Fuck it, I don't want the medallion anyways. Fuck you.
Now I gotta start fragging out. Ooh, Mr. Ooh, I'm gonna box in. Like, look at you. Fucking look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Mythic Pistol, by the way. I've just boxed myself. Nice. Wait, actually, what are you doing? Bro, you're not even towards zone. Nice one. I think you just might have missed me by like a maybe a hair. Uh-huh. Nice. Man, you're really hitting your shots with that. No! Peabody, I'm sorry that I keep doing this to you, but if there was another way, I would take it. I'm sorry. It's just...
Bro, please, bro. Why you do?
Come on, you. Thank you. All right, trust me, guys. This game, this game's gonna be the game. I promise. Oh, hey, it's the weekend. Ah. Oh, there goes my car. What are you doing up there? Why are you creeping on me? Why are you stalking me? Who does that? Also, yes, I know, up until this point, I've killed nothing but bots, but... an Elam's an Elam. Like, what can I say? I didn't even use the pistol for that one. But, come on. Like, just give it to me. I've lost, like, 2 games already. The first game I won. But, come on. Like, give me a break. I'm trying to entertain. Bro, you're not playing World Cup! Oh. Okay, I guess I didn't break my legs. Nice. I'm gonna do what you do. Oh, give me a break. Give me a break. Go outside. Yeah, oh my, I'm done.
That's crazy. It makes me want to smash like on the video. Oh, that's crazy. Subscribe.